Maharashtra Congress leader Nana Patole said it was unfortunate that the state government was supporting democracy after it has been murdered, and alleged that if such a situation exists, it reflects poorly on Maharashtra's governance. The remarks, viewers, come amid heightened political tension in the state following reports of possible realignments within the Shiv Sena factions. And I want to go across to my colleague Shweta Verma, who's joining me live from Mumbai. What can you tell us, Shweta, on the latest development?
That's right. In fact, this is another development that has taken place. Well, just quickly have a Neelam bhai, एक सवाल केवल आपसे well, here we see that as party leaders are of course making their way. Here we understand that how Congress has been saying about the changing dynamics in the state of Maharashtra and how politically the dynamics are being changed, and it is being seen that how the party shifting is also being termed as a political trend and the fashion that is taking place, especially we just speak about the state like Maharashtra and West Bengal.
All right, Shweta, I'll come back to you. Shiv Sena UBT MLA Bhaskar Jadhav has stated that Uddhav Thackeray has written to Chief Minister recommending that I be appointed as LOP. Shweta, what can you tell us on the statement?
Well, yes, it has come from Bhaskar Jadhav that he has come up front and he has been stating that he will be appointed as LOP here, but right now the I can say political state of action or course of action of Shiv Sena UBT must be how to retract back their rebel MPs before this major formal announcement take place, and how they should keep their flock intact, and the rest MLAs are there with them. Remember, during the time of split, 40 MLAs straight at one time shifted from UBT camp to Eknath Shinde, and now also after losing many MPs, as many as 6 MPs, the future of UBT camp seems to be in darkness, and the political party as a whole, they have been refuting the allegation of leadership that is weakened, or about the fund allocation and about the coordination that was allegedly not done during the election. These are one part, but how Shiv Sena UBT is going to interact the remaining flock with them is something which we have to see. But yes, meanwhile, we see that Bhaskar Jadhav coming ahead and talking about that he would be made the LOP, but clearly we see that again Bhaskar Jadhav remained to be in Shiv Sena UBT, and this is the time where he stated that he would be made the LOP.
Shweta, stay on.